Hi, it's Grandma. I have a story today for you about a flying elephant. And this flying elephant's name is Dumbo. Baby Dumbo was born in the spring and his mother was so proud of him. What big ears he had. His ears were so big that he stumbled over them. Poor Dumbo. When the circus parade marched through town, the people laughed at Dumbo. He can't be an elephant. He must be a clown, they said. There's his mama and Dumbo. The ringmaster put a funny costume on Dumbo and tried to make him a clown. Dumbo tried to do tricks, but he tripped over his ears and fell down. Aw, poor Dumbo. The audience thought the clowns were funny, but Dumbo wanted to be an elephant, not a clown. Timothy Mouse felt sorry for Dumbo. I'll make you the star of the circus, he said. Your ears are as big as wings, and I'll teach you to fly. With Timothy riding in his hat, Dumbo practiced running and jumping and hopping. He flapped his ears as hard as he could. But he couldn't get off the ground. Oh, he's got a tear. Some crows decided to help. We teach baby crows to fly by giving them a big feather to hold on to. Here's one for Dumbo. Holding the big feather in his trunk, Dumbo ran and flapped his ears, and away he flew. Holy crud! Have you ever seen an elephant fly? My goodness. He flew high above the treetops. He circled and looped and dived. Back at the circus, the ringmaster made Dumbo a clown again. He doesn't seem very nice. But when it was time for the clown act, Dumbo flew around and around and up and down he flew. The audience cheered. Now people came from miles around to see Dumbo fly. Nobody laughed at him anymore. Dumbo is the star of the circus. I hope you liked that book. I liked reading it to you. I love you. Today is Sunday, and I went to church and helped with the other little kids there, and it made me want to give you guys big hugs. I love both of you so much. Brinley, I love you. Aspen, I love you to pieces, my little peach. And I hope to hear from you guys soon. Mwah! Love, Grandma.